our take on sustainability is that companies that provide benefits to society, both in the services and the products that they provide, are more likely to outperform in the long run. So there's really three key areas that we focus on. The first is to look at long-term structural shifts in our economy, and then try and identify the likely winners. Once we've done that, the second is really to focus on the management team and the quality of the management team. We think that how a management team is managing its key environmental and social governance issues really is a key lead indicator for the quality of that underlying team, and therefore how well that company is likely to adapt going forward. And then finally, of course, one of the most important aspects is valuation and business fundamentals. So the business needs to be profitable, it needs to generate high returns on capital, the earnings to cash flow ratio has to be obviously sufficient, and of course the company has to be undervalued. Once you have those three areas, those sort of three key areas combined, then we deem it to be a sustainable investment option for our funds, and therefore eligible for our fund range. So as I mentioned before, we've got a real mix of funds. So we've got this sort of UK focus, the European, the global equities. We've got fixed income as well, and then we've got multi-asset funds, which really cater for a broad range of risk appetites. And we see our funds as very complementary to many traditional funds. There is zero requirement in our idea for relinquishing investment performance for sustainability. So sustainability drives investment performance in our view. But what that means is that the characteristics of our fund are very different from many of the other traditional funds. So we think that actually, instead of seeing sustainability as this sort of niche side bucket that you might allocate to, actually it can be involved in a sort of core part of your portfolio and add quite a lot of diversification risk as well, given the underlying nature of the investment themes that we're exposed to.